this is how we need to move ahead, or else it's gonna be an entire chaos. No one is gonna have job, no one is gonna have money, only the rich is gonna get richer, and poor is gonna like not even able to survive. Hello. So this video is about my point of view on AI. Every other person over here is saying AI is gonna take over your jobs, AI is gonna do that, AI is gonna do this, AI is literally gonna do everything. I know, but I feel as humans we all need to come together. Like, this human species should come together and make a decision of not allowing AI take over our jobs. Listen to me. Why did we create AI? To make humans' life easier, so that most of the work is done by them and we sit and chill. I know in the corporate that's what is happening. You're not wanting you're not wanting people to do the work and you want AI to do the work, but that's not what I mean. What I mean is humans' work should reduce. Basically, if a person is working for 5 days a week, he needs to work for maybe 4 days a week or 3 days a week based on how much AI can take over the work. It should make the human's life easier, not it shouldn't be a burden. You get what I'm telling, right? Right now AI is becoming a burden for human race and not a boon. Yeah, it's doing a lot of work, but the entire point is to make our lives easier, and the population of the middle class is so much, you can't ignore them. I feel the main point of creating AI has been vanished. It's all becoming so capitalistic that it can't go any further. And the whole reason we are working is because of humans. Like, we have only created this loop of, okay, we have to work every single day, do 9 to 5 job. Like, this is not our purpose of life. Look at other animals, they don't fucking work. But we have added extra things like work and then make money, then you're gonna get this basic food, that. It is so complicated, and which has been created by these humans. And humans only created AI to make your life easier, but again, what the hell, it's affecting humans only in a negative way. So this is my conclusion. A person working for 5 days a week should work for 3 days a week based on how much AI is gonna do, but get paid the same. This is how AI is gonna help the human race, and not by taking over other humans' job. Like, it's not helping anyone. Maybe it's helping the company's founder, but stop being capitalistic over here. Maybe it's helping you, but end of the day, your company is also like a job that you have created, like a humans have created. I'm gonna explain this in detail in another video. You get what I'm telling, right? Let me know your opinion on this, because I feel this is how we need to move ahead, or else it's gonna be an entire chaos. No one is gonna have job, no one is gonna have money, only the rich is gonna get richer, and poor is gonna like not even able to survive. Like, for real, you won't be able to make money at all, and you're just gonna die, and it's gonna be only rich people competing with each other. So let me know your opinion in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye.